Good morning, everyone. Well, cold and snow. I know the two words you probably don't want to hear, but fortunately, we're not talking about a lot of snow, and fortunately, we're talking about some warmer temperatures for the weekend. But let's get through this cold day first and this snow chance. We're starting at 8 a.m. this morning, and we're just talking about isolated snow showers and flurries for the morning commute. So not everybody seeing snow. There are certainly gaps, and if you do see snow, it is just light snow, but I do need to mention the chance for seeing a little bit of light snow for the morning commute. But really, the bigger story early this morning is still the cold. Look at these temperatures. 1 in Columbus, 9 in Falls City. And though there's not a lot of wind out there, there's still a light breeze, gusts around 15 miles per hour. So that means, yes, the wind chills are still below zero for now. So how long are we going to be dealing with these isolated snow showers and flurries? Well, I actually think there might be a little bit better chance in the late morning, a slight uptick in the activity, not much. And I will say that throughout the morning hours and through the early afternoon, a slightly better chance of seeing some light snow in the southern part of the area than the northern part of the area. A chance for everyone, but a little bit better chance around Beatrice, Falls City, and Nebraska City. And I've got to keep the chance in there for isolated snow showers and flurries through lunchtime today, but I do think by 2 o'clock the chance for the flurries coming to an end. And look at the cloud cover breaking up. So because it's going to be so cloudy this morning, the clouds are only going to be decreasing as we go through the afternoon. I actually expect us not to hit our high temperatures until about 5 o'clock this afternoon. And notice, because the clouds are going to be breaking up first to the south and last to the north, a little bit more temperature variation than usual. 31 at 5 o'clock in Falls City, but 23 in Lincoln, 22 in Omaha, and maybe still in the upper teens, Columbus and Fremont. The good news is, though, not these temperatures, because normal high temperatures for this time of year, mid-40s, so way below normal. But the winds are only going to be decreasing as we go through the day. Not even a light breeze like we're dealing with this morning. 5 o'clock this afternoon, wind's probably going to be around 5 miles per hour, so no wind chill factor when we hit these high temperatures. It's really going to be feeling like these temperatures. So if we have to have below normal temperatures, at least unlike yesterday, not dealing with windy conditions. Now tonight is still going to be a cold night, but not as cold as last night, and there's still not going to be much wind, just 5-10 miles per hour, but yeah, a low of 7 in Columbus, 8 in Omaha, 10 in Lincoln, 13 Falls City, mostly clear skies. So let's talk about some warmer temperatures, right? Well, boy, are we going to get it. A warm front lifts over us tomorrow morning, and let's just look at Omaha. 8 for our low, but look at our high temperature tomorrow afternoon. 40 degrees warmer, 48 in Omaha, and look at the low 50s showing up to the south, including a 51 in Lincoln. So upper 40s, low 50s, we're blowing past normal high temperatures and going back to above normal temperatures. It will get breezy in the afternoon. Gusts are going to be around 20 miles per hour or so. But when you have above normal temperatures, breezy conditions, not that big a deal. Partly cloudy skies, but as this warm front lifts over us, no chance of rain or snow. And if you're trying to make plans about, should I go out Friday night or Saturday night, I'm definitely going to recommend, even though tonight is going to be dry and Saturday night is going to be dry, go out Saturday night, because look at these temperatures. Much warmer, though cold, much warmer than tonight is going to be. We're talking about most of us seeing lows, low to mid 20s, but upper 20s in the southern part of the area, and still not much wind, just 5 to 10 miles per hour, and still just partly cloudy skies. Now, Sunday morning is going to be dry. The early afternoon Sunday is going to be dry. But beginning around 4 o'clock, it looks like Sunday afternoon, the chance of rain coming back. But before we talk more about this rain chance and the wet Sunday night we're expecting, look how we are going to continue to warm on Sunday. Look at high temperatures. Again, some variation across the area, maybe just topping out in the low 50s to the north and east, but look at that, 57 in Lincoln, and I definitely want to leave in the chance for some 60s in the southwestern part of the area. Best chance probably around York, Hebron. Going to be breezy Sunday afternoon as well. Probably in the morning hours, not much, but the wind's picking up, and then it's going to stay breezy through the evening hours on Sunday. So guess getting to that 20-25 mile per hour range. And again, dry until about 4 o'clock, but then the rain is really going to be filling in after 4 o'clock. And I don't think it's just showers we're talking about, but storms as well. I do think there's a good chance we're seeing some storms ahead of a cold front that's going to be pushing it. And yes, I hate to say it, but there is a small chance that one or two of these storms that pops up could be severe. I think the greater threat is south of us, but I'm not going to rule out perhaps a couple storms producing wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and perhaps some penny-sized hail during the evening hours. If we're going to see severe storms, it's going to be Sunday evening, though the chance is going to continue through Sunday night. But it's really, this window looks to be during Sunday evening, so probably especially 7, 8, 9 o'clock is what we're looking at right now. And I will say, though I think a lot of us are going to end up seeing thunderstorms, most of us are just going to see heavy rain and lightning. And if we're going to see the hail and those damaging wind gusts, more likely in the southern part of the area where temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer during the day on Sunday and still into Sunday evening. So again, the opportunity for the severe storms is just during the evening hours on Sunday, but even around midnight Sunday night, I'm still going to mention the chance for thunderstorms, so I do think severe threat going away because look how temperatures are coming down. And it still looks pretty wet at 4 a.m. Sunday night, so very early Monday morning. At this point, though, the storms are going to be east of us, and we're just talking about showers over us at this point. And right now, the timing looking good for that Monday morning commute. It looks like the rain is going to be out of here by 8 a.m. Monday morning, and look at the clouds starting to break up, but I talked about it being breezy during the evening and overnight hours. Well, now, again, assuming we don't see any damaging wind gusts from those storms, now the winds will be stronger. By Monday morning, it's going to be windy, and Monday afternoon, gusts are probably going to reach around 40 miles per hour. By 8 a.m., probably gusts already around 30 miles per hour. Now, temperatures, you'll notice 8 a.m. Monday morning, upper 30s, low 40s for most of us, but temperatures aren't going to keep dropping behind this cold front. I do think we'll see temperatures rise some for Monday afternoon, most of us topping out in the upper 40s.